how to breathe. Spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie.
Hi guys, welcome to another day. You guys, it's been a while. It's been a while I've been talking to you. It's been a while. So guys, today I just thought let me come and greet my people, and yeah, it's been busy guys, it's been busy, but then we are here to stay. We are not going anywhere. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoba ngathi le phone yami iloko iyawa nje angiqondi kakuhle. Okay, I hope ihle. Okay guys, welcome to another day, welcome to another video. You guys, I'm just excited today because I got an email that I have another package that is coming through to Mrs. Sola. Guys, this is my first. Okay, here's the package, guys. Ifike namhlanje le package. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. So this is my first ever brand campaign. Now, at least guys, I'm a campaign girl now. This is my first ever brand campaign. So I just want to open inside with you. And then yeah, because I've been applying for a few campaigns, so I keep trying guys, I keep trying. Camera yami ilogo ear pants angazi kwenzakalani guys. Let me fix this. Okay guys, I'm sorry about that. Yeah, as I was saying, this is my first ever brand campaign, né? So I just want to open this with you so that you know what's inside, and then I also have to do reels tomorrow, but because this is your vlogger, I thought let me do this for my YouTube channel, and then the reels will follow. Okay, so I just want to open this box guys so that we can see what's inside, right? Yeah, let me open it guys. Kuningizama uku-apply my campaign at last. Oh, hayi ke bantase na indaba. Aromat. I'm so excited for this. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna be having a campaign. How many are these? 3 guys. Okay, let me count them. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 2 4 6 8 10. So I got 10 10 of these. So it's a real tomorrow guys, so it's a real tomorrow. And then yo guys, I can't even vlog that side because people are watching TV, and tomorrow ngizovuka nginokunye nje ekumele ngikwenze. So I have a lot to do tomorrow guys. So as you can see guys, aromat yekeli qanda ne aromat. So yeah guys, I got a campaign about aromat, or a campaign aromat, and I'm so excited for it. So yeah, you're gonna make some nice eggs in there, né? Okay guys, I have to read the instructions and need to know what's mailing in Zinjani. And then okay, there's something else in here guys. I don't know what's in here, but okay, there's something else in here. singivule kahle nice ingamoshi so that okay. Hi guys, scan to find out more. Oh, thank you, man. Thank you, Aromats. Thank you so much. Okay, this campaign, guys, is from the Mumbox. I don't know if you guys can see. This is from the Mumbox. So I got these. This is from the Mumbox, and I'm so excited to try it. Oh, I'm so excited, my guys. Okay. And then I don't know what are these bands for, but okay, it's what I got in here. I'm so excited, guys. Yes, I just hope and pray that more brands will come my way, because like wow. Ngiyabonga kwa Aromats, guys. Yo. Bonga cool. And I have 10 of these. Because I'm Nandi in South Africa. Because I'm Nandi. Let's go Nandi my Mumbox, guys. So yeah, otherwise, guys, let me go through these so that I know what needs to be done, and then I'll take it from there. And then when I do my rails and all, yeah. So be encouraging, guys. I think tomorrow, if I get a chance, I just wanted to show you guys that I have my first ever brand campaign. So ngine brand januk Aromat no Norox Aromat original. I'm so excited, guys. Can't wait to try on meals. Aromat. So yeah, guys, right now I just need to go prepare for our boys exercise because they're going to school, and then I will catch up with you tomorrow. I just wanted to share with you this lovely box here. Okay, I really appreciate from Mumbox, guys. I will catch up with you again tomorrow or when I get a chance. So let me love and leave you, because I need to continue with other stuff. See you guys on my next video. Bye. Hi guys, I'm cooking a dumpling. Today I'm craving for a dumpling, and I think I need to prepare it today so that sizodlalona. I'm not in the mood of cooking pap, rice, spaghetti, whatever. I think I'm craving dumpling. Fortunately enough, the boys are also craving a dumpling, right? Yeah, so this is the first dumpling that I've made, because I'm using a small pan. You know that banana bread pan is the one that I'm using to do this dumpling, so that I can be able to slice it nicely. So I've already started doing the dumpling. So now I'm gonna do another mixture. I'm definitely gonna do that with you guys. So yeah, it's been the longest day, guys. It's been the longest day. The weather, it's just weathering somehow, you know, keeps raining. Angazi noma iwinter seyiqalile or wenzakalani, but ke what can we say? So guys, anyway, I didn't even greet you. Hi guys, welcome to another day of my vlog. Welcome to a new week. Today is a Tuesday, guys, so I thought let me take you with me as I'm doing my dumpling. I think we're gonna have this for supper. We're definitely gonna have this dumpling for supper. Yeah, so if you are new in my channel, guys, you are more than welcome. And yeah, as much as you just bumped into this video, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and comment if you get a chance to comment in the comment section. You're more than welcome. We really appreciate you for bumping into this video. I hope you will subscribe. And we're on the road to 200 subs, guys. We are on the road to 200 subs. Can you just please push until we get into 200 subs, and then so that you can move along to 300 and so on. So, oh, I didn't even greet properly. Welcome to this vlog, guys. I hope you will enjoy it, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're more than welcome. Thank you for sticking with me. And yeah, my VIPs, my day ones, you know, we're in this together, right? We are in here to grow together, and I really appreciate you for that. So most above anything else, guys, I just want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Like, we need to push to 200 subs. Our goal for last month was to reach 200 subs. So unfortunately we didn't reach that 200 subs, but hopefully this month I'm praying that we reach to 200 subs so that you can move along, right? We need to I play with you guys because we need to, I just ask you to support this channel so that it will be able to grow, and so that I can have courage to bring more content and make more videos for you, more exciting videos. Yeah, otherwise I just want to finish up. I think this one is already well cooked. Let me check. I think this one is already well cooked, so I just want to check if Sally right ngaphakathi. I think it's well cooked already, because, or should I leave it maybe for another 5 minutes? But I think it's already well cooked. Let me just take it out so that I can, excuse me, I can make this other mixture, and then sihlanganise bantase. Lucky enough, the boys are also craving for a dumpling. Wow, imagine, what a coincidence. It's been a while since I leave the tombolo. So yeah, let me take this off because let me just try to take it off the pot. It's hot. Okay, I hope I won't burn, guys. This is my dumpling, guys. It's my dumpling. So I use this pan. It's hot, by the way. I use this pan to do this dumpling. I think that was the most convenient thing to use right now. So it's already well cooked. And yeah, like I said, I want to do another mixture quickly, so that I think the ones that I made are not going to be enough, because it's the 5 of us, and with this pan here it won't be enough, right? I think I need to do a few more, maybe two more pans, 2 more dumplings. Yeah, but again, nice and fresh and soft. It's so soft, guys, you can see. Yeah, let me take it out quickly, and then let me bring you here, guys. Hey guys, here's my dumpling. Here's my dumpling, guys. It's so soft, ne? It's so soft, nje. So nice and soft. So I just want to take it out quickly so that I can prepare. In fact, I have to prepare another mixture because I thought I'm done, but only to find out that I wasn't done. So let me do this quickly. Let me put this dumpling here. Oh, liyashisa magazine. Liyashisa. Okay. I'll have to prepare another mixture quickly right now because Daddy just came back with bread, but because there's lunch boxes, there's a whole lot. I just want to, I think I'm gonna have this. We are gonna have this dumpling tonight and then tomorrow, so that they can be able to have their lunches and stuff. I don't want to distract them. Okay, let's remove this one. I'm gonna do this just quick. Give me flour, baby. As guys, there's something about this sift, the one that I sift the flour with. It's been stained by a turmeric, because I remember the time I was doing that concoction. There was a time when I was doing that concoction, lemon, ginger, turmeric, and lemon, ginger, turmeric, cucumber, and remember when I was doing that concoction? Yeah, that's when I have stains. So I tried to remove these stains, but they are not removable. Our removing stains lawa. I don't know what is the reason behind. It's the turmeric, but I think it's the turmeric because the turmeric is the one Asia is stain, you know. So I think it's the turmeric very. Honestly speaking, it's the turmeric. Manje iyenza ngathi this sift ingcolile. Iyenza le sift ngathi singcolile ngempela guys, yo. But please bear with me. It's not dirty. It's clean. I washed it. It's just that in a stain, it's a turmeric. I will try to use yahona because I tried with bleach, but it's not removing. So I will try with yahona. Okay, guys. Katela, baby. No fire cool. Each up, it's it is too much, ne? Mashanjan? Oh, okay. Can I do this quickly, my love? Can I finish with my family here? Okay, guys. So what I'm gonna put in now, I'm gonna put in sugar. I'm gonna put in sugar. I don't know if this is enough. So I'm gonna put in sugar, and where's my thingy? And then there's old school. There's gold. Guys, I'm gonna use the Gold Star instant yeast for my dumpling. I normally use this one. I think because there's a lot of them. But again, mama wayenza idombolo ngale. Wayenza nje idombolo ngale is a green instant Gold Star. So I'm gonna put this yeast, right? And then I'm gonna put a bit of salt. I'm gonna put a bit of salt. Salt, just a little bit, not much. And then what I'm gonna do also, I'm gonna try to mix my warm water with a bit of cooking oil. I'm gonna just to make it nice and soft, so that it can be, tender and soft. I'm gonna mix my water, warm water, and a bit of cooking oil. Okay, things are warm now, warm water, and then I'm gonna add a bit of oil inside. A bit of oil. I don't know if that was a bit or that was too much, but okay. My water needs to have oil in it, as you can see, and then I'm gonna mix this mixture together. Oh, anyway, I wanted to put some carrot, just a little bit of carrot. I'm coming back.
Okay guys, now I have my warm water. Now I'm a carrot wami, and I'm gonna take this carrot ngiyifake lana so that I can mix this all together at the same time. So yeah, just to give it a color, and yeah. So now okay guys, space samsa like kitchen singane, so I really love cooking with you guys, but now my problem is that nginenkinga space samsa like kitchen nje sincane bakwethu, sincane. Like it doesn't give me courage to do the cooking, but I will try. It doesn't give me the courage to do the cooking impela. Angazi nje ukuthi why space isincane kangaka. Yeah, okay. One day I'll get a bigger house and yeah, we'll do the proper cooking with you. But okay, let's use what we have, and we are going to use what we have. Sharp. I already mixed all the ingredients together. Excuse me. And then now I'm going to let me wash my hands. Okay, and I say my hands are clean. I washed my hands. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this mixture, yamans in the oil, and put them here, so that, and I'll use my hands to knead the dough. I will use my hands to knead the dough. Okay. We need more water. Yeah. Put a bit of oil. Oh, my stand is moving, guys. Oh, my tripod is moving. Sharp. Oh, I think that is too much, but okay. There's too much flour in here. Idombolo. Idombolo. I think we need another little water. Just more. Akona, babe, akona now. We have the water. Yes, guys, idombolo ne. I think ngingathatha iminyaka ngingalidli mama belipheka idombolo mfethu. Belipheka idombolo la mama shame. Yeah, you would never starve. You come back from school, thole phekile, or yenze idombolo, yenze isstew, or yenze isstew samanqina, the chicken feet. My mom would really cook idombolo, shame. My mom will cook idombolo. And it was my late brother's favorite. Beltand shame idombolo. So it came to a point whereby ngagcina sengithi nje mina nedombolo simi no more. But I think the more I took long ngingalidli, and then yiko kwenza ukuthi khona manje ngelihalela idombolo. Sometimes I crave for it, sham. Sometimes I crave for it. Angifuna ukwenza idombolo lami libe dry. Ngifuna libe soft, nice and tender. Okay, I think, oh guys, yes. I'm done putting water. I just have to knead the dough and enough. Okay guys, we already waited for 20 minutes. So what we're going to do is to bring it a little bit down and then siyifake la kwi-pan. I'm going to be using this pen, and then in the meantime
emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini kulapho nthola khona emcimbini emarikana khambeki sekufike amathuke engana khuzeki ayiyolento esixabanisa nabazali nomakhelwane.
I'm almost done. This was my last pen for this dumbling. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna dish up, but I'm not gonna dish up with you. My phone is already flat, guys. It's like a flat like 5%. So just to make this quick, guys, I'm gonna close off this vlog right now, and then tomorrow I'll start another vlog because I want to start the vlog for my skincare routine. Remember, you guys, I got a package from Isabella Garcia, and I'm gonna try this product on my face because if you can see, I think yalama black spots lawa and these black marks that are here on my skin. I really don't understand what's wrong, but they are very stubborn to go away. Yabo. So I remember I was using this other product. It helped me to regain my complexion back, but now it's not giving me what I want. So what I decided is that ngizozama ukuthi ngithole a skin product that will deal with these marks. But I bought Isabella Garcia. Remember, I opened the package on the other vlog. So I'm very excited to try in a new skin range. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a beautiful journey. Let me just be patient and trust the process. Probably it might work for me. I'm hoping and praying that it works, because I can't keep changing all these products like all the way. I'd rather pay for something that will definitely work for my skin. So I thought, let me try Isabella Garcia, because I've seen a lot of reviews from the people who are using it that it really works. So I thought, why not? Let me just give it a try. So yeah, I think I have to deal with this. I will try, as I always say, guys, to be as I am really consistent with my face. It's just that angazi nami ukuthi which product will be suitable for my skin. Honestly, like, I don't know. Mara, let's keep trying until we get the right one. And then yeah, I will try to start with a skincare routine vlog. And yeah, for a vlog on reels, I believe that will work for this content creation. So right now, guys, I'm done. I'm done. Let me do and prepare for my people so that they can eat, and then I start editing the other vlog. As I finish here, we'll be eating and blah blah. I think I'm gonna take a bath. Then after that, I'm gonna make sure that I edit my vlog and catch up on my other things that I need to catch up. So let me love and leave you. I'm closing this vlog because I don't want it to be long. I'm closing it right here. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye. Hey guys, nali tombolo lam lisingwa.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ako macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I love.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you managed to watch till this far, I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section. See you guys on my next vlog.